Hi, my name's Nadia Dyson from Luxury Locations, and today it's Tuesday chat time. I'm here with Charmaine Benjamin Werth, who is a fabulous interior designer, and we're going to be talking renovations and interiors today. Hi, how are you?
Good. Yourself?
I'm good, thank you. Thank you for joining us here today. I'm excited to talk to you about all the fabulous work you've been doing. Can you tell me a little bit about what you do?
I'm an interior designer and I work on mostly residences, and it's a lot of fun because I get to meet interesting people and give them what they want.
How did you get into interior design?
As a young girl, I would have lots and lots of Barbies. I didn't care about the Barbies or the fashion. I cared about their homes. So I'd use each tile as a room in my bedroom, and I would set up each tile as Barbie's bedroom, Barbie's living room, Barbie's everything. And it went on where I would be moving my mother's furniture all over the house. She'd get home from work and she'd be like, "What's going on here?" I'm like, "I redid your bedroom." And so yeah, it was kind of just a natural thing that when I went to university, I wanted to do interior design. I didn't really know what it was, but then when I went as an undecided major, did a little bit of research, and I thought, yeah, that's what I want to do.
Yeah. So tell me, how many years have you been doing interior design in Antigua?
I graduated 30-something years ago, but I've been doing it with my husband for 20 years.
So if someone wants to they bought a house in Antigua and they want it renovated, they have no idea on style, what's the process, when they chat to you? Can you talk me through the steps?
So I ask them, the first question I ask, we've decided that they've decided they're hiring me, and I want to see pictures of what they like. I also want to see pictures of what they do not like, because that's kind of more important, because most times they don't even know what they like.
Yeah.
So, and then I will give them some storyboards, some mood boards of what I think could work here in the islands. There are certain things that would work in North America, in Europe. It would just not work here in Antigua.
And then what happens? What's the next stage?
The next stage is once I'm employed by them, or once we sign a contract, I will then get an as-built floor plan, or I will go, and we're talking about renovation, so
yes.
It's already there. So
yeah.
If they don't have an as-built floor plan, I will go and go and measure up, survey, and do the floor plan. I will then put furniture where I think the layout should be, so I'll start with the furniture layout. In following that, I will then do the lighting and the tile layout. We do a lot of outdoor living here, so I really do like doing outdoor lighting and indoor lighting and outdoor furniture. So then I will start specifying, and that way I will have the tag sheets of every piece of furniture, and I will be able to put the furniture to scale in the plan to see whether it's going to work or not. So all the furniture that I have in the floor plan is what it's what I'm specifying to put right there. So the floor plan is next. The lighting plan comes very soon after. Plumbing and lighting both together. And finishes is happening in tandem with all of that. And then the very, very last bit is the accessories and the arts and the plants and white goods.
Yeah. And then you're always dealing with obviously your clients. They sign off and then you go out shopping, or how does it kind of?
Well, some clients I do go away with them because they want to sit and feel it.
Okay.
But most of the times I order everything online. And then so once I've sent the specifications to the client, they either approve it or they say, "Can we keep looking?"
Okay.
And I'm happy to keep looking.
Yeah. Can you tell me the different types of projects you work on?
In Antigua, you can't really be pigeonholed into working on one type of project. So I do homes, obviously, renovations and new build. I do restaurants, bars, hospitality. I've even worked on commercial as well. But my favorite is getting to meet the clients. So, meeting a family and them coming back and seeing the family grow, that's been a lot of fun.
So I know you've just completed a project here in Antigua at Harbour View. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Oh, that was a fun one. The clients are really, really pleased. It's unrecognizable when you compare it to what she bought. It begins with the entrance and the gate, and the pool is spectacular. There's a lounge pad now in the pool with lounge seats in the pool. The deck around the pool looks amazing, but when you walk into the house, it's this open plan, and she wanted it to look Caribbean. So basically we redid the ceilings to have the open rafters look, although it's not open rafters, but we made it look like open rafters, and it looks completely different. And there is wallpaper. The wallpaper changes everything. The wallpaper and the lighting. Again, I come back to the lighting. She's very pleased, and so am I.
If people wanted to get in contact with you, what's the best way for that to happen?
Email, WhatsApp. My website it's benjaminwerthdesigns.com. It has all of our information.
And does it show you some of the projects?
It does. It has architecture section, which is my husband. It has the interior design section, which is me. So it's not the greatest website, but you can get a feel.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for coming in. I really hope you all enjoyed this Tuesday chat, because in Antigua, many of the properties that are on the market at the moment do need some renovations, and there's lots of fantastic plots of land to be bought. So if you were looking at any of those, Charmaine can help you out with your design and renovations. So thank you all for watching, and if you like our videos and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel below. Thank you.